Hey, what's up, Safemoon holders? So, what's the new target of Safemoon? Can they hit the target? And what's my prediction to upcoming days? They going up or they fails down? And what's my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time? Let's get started without any time waste. The Safemoon prediction, my friend. Please subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new. Keep touch with us. I have 3 year experience. I guide you every time, my friend. So this is selling time, buying time, and I guide you, my friends. Freely, you message me every time, anytime, and I will you check out the link of my Instagram and my channel. Please visit on my channel, please, and also subscribe this channel. Keep touch with us. I daily update you, my friend. If you can see here, my friend, this time I already opened the 7 days chart, and you can see here the last 7 days they change occur 945 for 0.71% they're going up. So this is very high chance. Like a Dutch coin, they're moving up, my friends. Dutch coin and file and Safemoon, these two cryptocurrencies moving very fastly and those days in a crypto market. Exactly, Safemoon is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my friend, and I hope this time the price is very cheap. I hope in upcoming days the price is changed into very good. The price has gone up. The price is hit $1 just and 1 month if they're moving like this, because this is the last 7 days chart, my friend. If they're starting moving very fastly like this, my friend, then I hope they can hit it easily. So, my friend, what's my prediction? Let's check out, my friend, first of all the last 24-hour chart to what's going on in the last 24-hour charts, my friend. I told you to in upcoming days they're moving up or they falls down, my friend. If we check out the last 24-hour chart, my friend, then they show you us to they going up or they falls down, my friend. Remember, to every cryptocurrency is moving in a circulation, my friends. You can see here after a fails they take after a jump they take down, and this time you can see here after a fails they going up. So, my friend, this is the circulation. This is the circulation, my friend. If you can see here, if we go on like this, then exactly they're moving up, my friend. They're moving up, exactly they're moving up. So if in upcoming days they can cross $1, as this is possible, my friend. In upcoming days they're moving up, this is confirmed. So please, if you have any plan to buy more, then exactly this is good time. You can see here the change occur in the last 24 hours. My plus 24.26%. This is positive change, very good occur in the last 24 hours, my friend. I hope they're moving up in upcoming days. Please, I recommend you, please buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month or wait for a long time. I cannot sell it. I wait for 22 to 20 or 25, because I have long term, my friends, to that I not no chance to sell it. Please, you if you have also for long term, then please sell it in 2025. I hope they make you millionaire. Exactly, they make you millionaire. So thanks for watching, Filecoin holder. Sorry, Safemoon holder. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. And my opinion is just please hold it and wait for the end of this month. Okay, so they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.